Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and minimizing risk. First, back up to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Once done, confirm your exact iOS version and locate a jailbreak tool that supports iPhone 13/A15. Compatibility is crucial. Make sure the phone is charged to at least 80%, then temporarily disable Face ID or passcode and turn off Find My iPhone. These steps prevent interruptions. After that, download the jailbreak tool and connect your iPhone to your computer to begin. You now execute the jailbreak utility and follow each prompt carefully. Some tools require putting your device into a specific mode. Follow instructions exactly. Once the tool finishes and the device resprings, open the installed package manager. Next, add the repository that hosts an always-on display tweak. Search for a well-reviewed always-on tweak and install it. After installation, respring or reboot as directed. Make sure to grant any tweak permissions and read its notes so you understand how it interacts with lock screen and display refresh. You finish by configuring the tweak. Set dimming level, refresh interval, and whether notifications or widgets show. Once configured, lock the phone and observe the display behavior. Adjust brightness and enable low power options to reduce battery drain. If the tweak causes instability, reboot the device and try reinstalling the tweak or a different version. As a last resort, restore from your backup to remove the jailbreak and return to stock. Remember, jailbreaking affects warranty and battery life, so proceed only if you accept those trade-offs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.